I'm your friend MG from my channel Server Guruji. Today I'm going to tell you how we can recover deleted object. Suppose we are working on a domain environment, by mistake or accidentally any object has been deleted from us in the Active Directory. How we can recover it? You know, when we delete the object in Active Directory, it is stored in tombstone, and there is a limitation within a 90 days. If we want to be recover the object, so then we can recover the object. How we can recover the object? So today we will discuss about that, and this is called Active Directory Recycle Bin. Let's start. Today I will show you that I build a server, DNS server, and will create a user on there. Then we will enable Active Directory Recycle Bin and will delete some object from there. After that we will come back in Active Directory Recycle mode and will try to recover the object. So let's start. This is my domain controller. You can see here I just open the command prompt and I will just want to know the my server name. You can see here this is my Active Directory. I already open here. My domain name is techno.local, so I just enter here techno.local, and before that ns lookup, then enter, and you will get a IP address. Okay, this is the IP address 192.168.1.100 of this server. Now let's start. There is a technology OU already created here. Let's create one more OU over here. Remove this one. HR, create some users. I have created one user here. Let's next. One user has created. Now let's create one more. This is the very important task when we are not using any third-party tools, and by mistake third-party tools means we are not taking the backup of Active Directory, we are not using any backup tools, and by mistake our any object deleted has from the Active Directory. So before that, before deleting the any object, we should know that is there any backup tool is running into our domain environment. If it is not, then we have to be enable Active Directory Recycle Bin. Okay, I have already created two object OU here, and there is lots of users inside these. Now let's start how we can enable Active Directory Recycle Bin. Let's open, click on tools and go on Active Directory Administrative Center. It will be open. Then select your domain. Domain name is techno.local, and which object we created, OU created, HR and infrastructure. There is one more. Okay, let's enable. If you will click on the HR, you will find a enable recycle bin. Click on it and okay. Okay, again click on another one and okay. That's it. Your recycle bin will be enabled. Now again open Active Directory Administrative Center. Choose the HR, and you can see the enable recycle bin has been enabled. Okay, now what we will do, we will just come on Active Directory again and let's delete all the, before that, before delete any object, come on again on Active Directory Administrator Center, click on techno, and we can see there is a deleted object here. If we will open it, double click on it, and there is a no deleted object here. Now we are going to delete these Active Directory users. Okay, I have deleted, and now I am going to delete HR. Okay, now I deleted many users from the technology. Also I deleted one OU, and inside that OU there were two users. Okay, let's come into active administrative centers, and you can see the deleted. So techno, come on, deleted objects, double click on it, it will be open. See, here are the lots of users which we deleted, users NOE which we deleted. All are here. Select one by one and right click on those and restore. Okay, this is inside the HR. Firstly we have to restore it, this. Now we can recover it. It will be go back. Second is cat, it will be go back. Now right click on it. Now right click on it and restore. Let's start. Let's try to select multiple and restore it. Okay, all the object we have restored. Now come again into Active Directory, refresh it, click on technology, and all users are here, all objects are here which we deleted, and this is also has recorded. Thank you. This is the today video. I hope you like my video. Thank you guys, thank you very much.